Hello, my children at home. I hope you are enjoying yourself. This is lesson 4 of our national value for 3rd term. And today's topic is ways of preventing common illnesses. Subtopic, examples of common illnesses. We know what illnesses are. We have all been feeling, one time in our lives we have felt ill, have felt sick, and we have been taken to the hospital or to the clinic. So, illness is the condition of not feeling well. When you are not feeling well, you are ill. And we have 2 types of illnesses. We have the contagious or communicable disease. And we have the non-contagious or non-communicable disease. Contagious diseases can be transferred from one person to the other. Examples of contagious illnesses are chickenpox, Apollo, Lassa fever, COVID-19, the coronavirus illness that is keeping all of us at home now. And may we be saved, may Allah save us from it. Amen. Non-contagious illness, therefore, non-contagious illness cannot be transferred from one person to the other, from person to person. It cannot be transferred. Examples of these illnesses are ulcer, cancer, backache, meningitis, and the rest of them. Diseases can be transmitted from the more disease can be transmitted is either direct or indirect. Direct is when it's transferred from one person to the other. Maybe like, for example, COVID-19, that it's transferred through saliva when you are close to the person. And indirect transmission is when you touch something that belongs to somebody that has been touched by somebody that has this disease, like maybe tabletop, when you use injection, in the case of AIDS, when you use maybe sharp objects that a person that is infected has used. So that is the indirect, that's the way it can be transmitted indirectly. Symptoms of common illnesses: lack or loss of appetite. Symptoms are the signs that shows us that a person is not feeling fine. When you start feeling these symptoms, you know that you are not feeling fine and you report to your parents or your guardians immediately. When you lack or lose appetite, you don't feel like eating. When you vomit constantly, you eat and vomit. When you are weak, fatigue, that's when you are weak, your body is weak, you cannot sit straight, you get tired, you feel sleepy all the time. And the causes of common illnesses: dirty and polluted environment. That's why you are always asked to keep your environment clean so that you will not get sick. Eating spoiled food. Try to finish your food. When it is spoiled, give it to animals. Don't throw them away. Give it to animals that can eat it. And don't even let the food to get spoiled. Try to finish it. Eating without washing your hands. You go and play, you run from wherever you are, run back to the house, and mommy said, come and eat. You just carry the food and start eating without washing your hands. Or mommy gives you biscuit, gives you snacks, you just collect it without washing your hand. It causes illnesses. You start complaining of stomach ache, headache, and the rest. Prevention of common illnesses. To prevent these illnesses that we just mentioned here, we have to do the following. Eat balanced diet. Remember, in our PVS, we talked about balanced diet. So if you want to know what that means, you go back to your PVS note and get what balanced diet contains. Then exercise from time to time. Carrying out regular medical checkup to know what is wrong with you and take precautionary measures for it. Your home activities. You know, I like this part because this is where I get feedbacks from you. I get to know how many people are going through my work and knowing who is listening to me. Now, number one, what is illness? These two examples of contagious illness. State two examples of non-contagious illness. Send your answers to me on my WhatsApp number 08034526236. Thank you very much. Enjoy your stay at home and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.